Another beautiful Texas morning. I'm going to remove this GTO gate operator and install a USAutomatic Patriot 2. Came out to here and install it, and the gate has started to drag on the ground. So when that happens, but you can see all that scraping on the ground, that's all new. That's not wasn't there before. So I'm pretty confident that the gate post has moved for whatever reason. So it looks like we've already had one set of hinges put on there and taken off, and now here's a second set, which I'm happy with. This it's probably just meeting the weight requirements of this particular gate because it has wood. This 5-inch barrel hinge and maybe a 7-inch would have been good. But when you see a post like that that's out of the ground that high for no reason, you start to wonder. The reason that is because they didn't dig down deep enough for the gate post. You start to wonder if that's the reason why that is not cut off or all the way up like that, is because the installers, when they came out and put it in, they didn't dig it down deep enough. You can see that there's been some modification right there, and I don't know what that is. Maybe it doesn't look like it was to get it straight or anything, because it's in line. This stub up piece is in line with that. So don't know exactly what's going on here. Just know that we've got a gate dragging where it was not dragging before, and now it's got to get shimmed. So I'll get somebody else out here to help me with it, so we can support the gate and have a little bit hotter welder than what I carry on my truck. So let's take a look at the gate operator real quick. So we're taking out this GTO Mighty Mule, and we're going to use the existing electrical that's here. We're going to mount the gate operator to this fence, and we're going to rest it on this post right here. So that should be just fine. I'm going to use the power. We're going to run the power supply, power plug over here. Transformer should fit. If it doesn't, then we'll make arrangements for it, and then we'll cut these brackets off and start fresh with a new gate operator.